found a snail. Look. Okay, nice. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel once again. Sorry it was so like a long time that I haven't do my video. Kasi po, naglipat kami. So, there's a request. So, welcome by the way to my channel. And if you are new, thank you for tuning in. So, it's Anna Marie. Today, we will do like apartment tour. Some of my friends and families requested for it. So, we don't have a big new apartment. It's just ideal for my family. So, let's go! So this is our dining, and then this is the living room. And Ruthie was there watching TV. Hi Ruthie. And this is the drum of my son Ian, and the small space office of my hubby. As you know that some of you knows that he is a photographer, so he's do editing here. Yeah, so small space for him, and we will go here. We have this small cute entrance, and we have our water. We just put it there because we don't have much place. There is the entrance, and when you open it, there's already the outside. Okay, then let's go to our rooms. Here, there's still boxes that needs to be done. But it's okay, little by little we can do that. And this is our CR, look. Nice one, small, but there's, I just love it. It's very simple and beautiful. And that's some boxes there. Needs to be open. Di pa tapos. And this is our bath. As you can see, there is our towels there, our stuff in there. Really typical for a family. There is a washing machine. Okay, so that's it. And the boys' room. Yeah, yan po. Kalat nila. Di pa tapos ayusin. Ian's bedroom. And they have here a small terrace to overlooking the neighborhood. Parking outside. Nice one. So fresh air. And CJ's bedroom is there, up. He was so comfortable there. And down there, he has his office space because he is already working while studying. So, he's working as an accountant. My eldest son. And this is Ruthie's room. Finally, she has one, and she's so happy. There, her stuff, toys, and everything. Okay. And also her window. Beautiful neighborhood out there when you open her window. Look. By the way, we are just on the first floor. And let's go to our bedroom. And this is the master's bedroom. This is how it looks like. Okay. Yan pa yung mga plantsahin ko. Our bed. And You'll see here also on our window. Beautiful. The same spot with the boys' terrace. But it's so calm and so fresh here. Orchids, a gift of a friend, Ate Grace. Thank you, Ate Grace, for the beautiful orchids. And this is the kitchen. Sorry for the mess, because there's some visitor last night, and we prepared something, and we have our terrace. Okay, let's open it. So here's the beautiful terrace. Yes, marami pang garbage na itatapon, as you can see there. And I'll show you I will not hold it, I will not touch it, because I don't have a green thumb. So this is Papa's plant and Ruthie's plant. Look, oh, Ruthie, it's growing. So mga herbs po yan. That's herbs. And this is, I think, strawberries. Beautiful. And this is rosemary and silly. May kaunti na. And I think, I don't know what is this anyway. I think cherry tomato, he said. So it was growing. Papa is so good in plants. And this is our Robbie. Our Robbie the rabbit. Yes. Robbie the rabbit is there. Hi, Robbie. Ruthie found a snail. Look. Okay, nice. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you like my apartment tour. And till next time. And please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. And thank you for tuning in. God bless you all. I love you. Till next time. Bye!